Hello everyone and welcome back to our course. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to install Git on Windows. Go to the website git-scm.com and click on the Downloads tab. Here you can download the latest version of Git for your computer, Mac, Windows, or Linux. For Windows, click on the Windows installer. This will take you to the Windows installation page. You want to download the installer for your version of Windows. So you can search in the toolbar for bit version and find out what bit version your computer is. Likely it is a 64-bit because 32-bit is outdated. But regardless, choose the correct installer for your computer type. You can click to download that version of Git for Windows. This is going to download a Git followed by the version number, followed by the bit version, which on my computer is a 64-bit, .exe file. So save the file and then open the file. I've opened the file and I get the question, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You want to select yes because the app will make changes to your computer in the sense that it will install Git to the computer. Next, read through the public license for Git and hit install. This is going to remove any previous versions of Git that might be on your computer and install the latest version. So just wait a moment for the installation to complete. You have to extract the files required for Git to work, and you can see the location where Git will be on your computer. Next, you'll see this message completing the Git setup wizard. Setup has finished installing Git on your computer. The application may be launched by selecting the installed shortcuts. You can then hit finish, and now you have Git on your Windows computer. To verify that you do have Git, go into your search bar and search for the command prompt application. Here you can interface with your operating system. So if you type in Git, you should now see prompts for suggestions of what you can do with Git. If you don't see this, then read the error message that you have. You may have to install Git again. You may have to add Git as an environment variable to your computer. You may have to restart your terminal or restart your computer. Otherwise, you should be able to see Git options when you use the command Git. Typically, Git will be added to your environment variables by default. This means that you can now access Git as a variable, and you can perform commands. For example, you can check what version of Git you have. If you can see your Git version, that means you have Git successfully installed on Windows. If you liked this video, then go to training.mammoethinteractive.com. We have tons more content on blockchain, web development, machine learning, and much more. We also have a membership for just $19 a month where you can get access to our 372 course bundle and counting.